Let's look at the gross profit method. The gross profit method basically has two steps. Under the first step, the firm estimates the cost of goods sold. And how does the firm do that? The firm take the net sales during the period, multiply by 1 minus the profit margin. So the firm estimates cost of goods sold through net sales multiplied by 1 minus profit margin. And then the second step is the firm estimates the cost of the ending inventory using the beginning inventory, the beginning inventory plus net purchase minus estimated cost of goods sold, which we get from step 1. So that's it. That is the gross profit method. And then let's look at an example. So firm B has a beginning inventory of 600,000, net purchase of 1,500,000, net sales of 2 million. The gross profit ratio in previous years is 40%. Using gross profit method, what is the estimated cost of goods sold and the cost of the ending inventory? So please take 5 minutes, work on this example, and you can pause your video for now. So under the gross profit method, how do we count? So first of all, step 1 to how do we estimate cost of goods sold? So estimated cost of goods sold. The estimated cost of goods sold, we take net sales, which is 2 million, multiplied by 1 minus the previous year's gross profit ratio, which is 40%. So we get 1,200,000. So this is the estimated cost of goods sold. And if you ever ask, why do we estimate cost of goods sold this way? Because we know that what is the gross profit ratio? Gross profit ratio is we take the firm sales minus cost of goods sold. So, and then the difference between these two numbers is the firm's gross profit. And then the gross profit ratio is basically the firm's gross profit divided the firm's net sales. So this is the gross profit ratio. And we take this number from the previous years. So the assumption we're making here is we're assuming the current year's gross profit ratio is the same as the previous years. And from that, because we don't know the cost of goods sold for this year, so from this, we take this and what is the, so if the cost of goods sold is equal to sales minus the gross profit, right? And which is equal to sales minus sales multiplied by the gross profit ratio. And then which is equal to sales multiplied by 1 minus gross profit ratio. And then because in this year, we don't know the cost of goods sold. So in order to estimate this number, we're assuming the current year's gross profit ratio is the same as previous years. And then we take the current year sales, which we know, multiply by 1 minus the gross profit ratio of the previous year, because the assumption we're making here is the current year's gross profit ratio is the same as the previous years. And then from this, we're going to get an estimation of our current year cost of goods sold. And then after we know the estimated cost of goods sold, so from the formula, which is the beginning inventory plus purchase minus cost of goods sold equals to the cost of ending inventory. We know our beginning inventory is 600,000. The net purchase is 1,500,000. And we know the estimated cost of goods sold is 1,200,000. So the estimated cost of the ending inventory is 900,000. So it's these two numbers. So this is the gross profit method.